Hi everyone, today we're going to review an app called Gocrypto, crypto trading. And if you're kind of a person who is like a beginner or actually a professional and you want to do crypto trading and you want to actually train to see how you can do crypto trading, I think this platform is a perfect environment for you. Okay, now if you want to master the art of cryptocurrency trading without actually losing. Yes, without losing. You can't lose, and you're going to see why you can't lose in this platform. You can kind of download it, try to practice. As it says, you can practice without losing your money, and that's what actually they mean. Okay, we're going to see actually why you can't lose in this platform, and also we're going to look into ca- sorry, look into can you really do withdraw from Go Crypto? Okay, does it even allow you to deposit? Uh, you know, Something like that. Those are the questions which actually you may have in mind. If it's possible, how do you do it? Okay. Now, when you go through the reviews, this is one of the apps which you will find almost 90% people are happy about the app. Yes, I mean really 90%. I've read quite a lot of reviews on this platform. It has more than 5 million downloads and it has a lot of reviews. I think I've read like almost like over like 5K. And I tell you, 90% of the people using Go Crypto are happy because it offers what it promises. Now, for some of you who are wondering, like, if you make profits in this app, whatever, maybe you have made like, 3 million or whatever, 30,000 or $5,000 or whatever, can you withdraw that money to your wallet or to your bank or something? Can you do that? Now, that is a question which actually you see in the reviews. Most people actually are asking on this app. For example, a gentleman says, I just got started in the app, but so far I'm having a blast. I think people from all walks of life could enjoy this app. If you like trading and ever wanted to see what it's like, I suggest you give this app a download today. Okay, yeah, that is fine. Some of the reviews actually, let me look for one of the reviews that I saw where someone was trying to withdraw. Okay, excellent. I love it. I hope it's real. The level of the people, the level the level that people are going to it is amazing. Please, can I get help on how to trade and also how to cash out? Now, if you're wondering if you can cash out from this app is you can't really. It's actually a stimulator. Okay, that's why actually you have to reply to him like you cannot withdraw funds. It's a stimulator. A stimulator is like it's a platform which gives you an environment to practice. It's something which actually they even write here like a crypto trading and investment stimulator. Stimulator means you can't actually withdraw. Okay, you can't actually withdraw. It's something actually these guys really try to explain to even other people. Like Even this one, how do I cash out? They're telling him this is a stimulation app, so you cannot cash out. Okay. It's something actually these guys try to speak to people. And this one was wondering how to do some stuff, and they had to tell him like crypto go crypto is for stimulation only. Deposits are not possible. In other words, in this app, you are given virtual money. You kind of use that virtual money to kind of practice how you can do crypto trading. So by that way, you can't lose, but also it means you can't actually deposit because this is a practice, and you can't withdraw because there's nothing you have invested. You can't invest, you can't withdraw what you have invested. So in other words, this app gives you an environment to practice crypto trading. So you don't have to be afraid like you may make a loss. Nope. You don't have to practice, you may make it or no. You just have to practice how to trade. So after learning how to trade, now you can go to the real crypto trading apps and then you do the real thing. So here it's more of an environment to train, to learn how you can do trading, and you can't lose. Okay, you can lose virtually, but you don't use real money because the money that you're going to use to practice is given to you for free by them, and it's virtual money. So you can't withdraw that money because it's, it's virtual money. So that is something which I wanted to confirm in this video, that the money that you make in Go Crypto is not real money, because this is a simulation. This is a simulation. Simulation is like, it's a virtual environment. Okay. So that is it, guys. If you found this video really exciting and important to you, you can leave me a like or subscribe. I usually do videos about how to make money online, and yep. So subscribe so that you don't miss future videos about me talking about how to make money online. Okay. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.